Today, Charlie likes him, Mustafa, ride his back as long as he has his harness. So they're developing a lot with their friendship. Charlie's still not sure because since his rescue, Charlie still doesn't trust anyone. Does it make sense? Charlie. And Mustafa came to us when he was 4 months old. So all he knows is trusting because he never even had any bad experience, which I'm so grateful. Actually, once he ran away, not run away, he got out of his cage and he came back to inside. I am still not over that. But Charlie, thank you for being a great friend.